A millionaire and a broke person look at the same opportunity. The broke person sees risk, scarcity, and reasons why it won't work. The millionaire sees potential, abundance, and how to make it work. Same opportunity, completely different reality. Why? Because wealth isn't created by circumstances. It's created by consciousness. Millionaires don't have special circumstances. They have special mental patterns. Specific ways of processing reality that automatically generate wealth, while most people's thinking patterns automatically generate poverty. Today, I'm decoding the millionaire mindset. Not motivational fluff about thinking positive, but the actual cognitive structures, decision matrices, and quantum thought patterns that distinguish wealthy consciousness from poverty consciousness. You'll understand exactly how millionaires think differently, and you'll learn to install those same patterns in your own mind. This will be uncomfortable because you'll recognize poverty patterns you currently use. You'll see how your thinking has been creating your financial reality. But awareness is the first step to transformation. Once you see your mental programming, you can reprogram it. Here's what's crucial to understand. Millionaires aren't smarter. Studies show no correlation between IQ and wealth. Some brilliant academics die broke. Some mediocre students become billionaires. Intelligence doesn't create wealth. Specific thought patterns create wealth. These patterns are learnable. You weren't born with them or without them. They're software, not hardware. Anyone can install millionaire mental software. But first, you must uninstall poverty software. And most people don't even know they're running poverty programs. Dr. Thomas Stanley spent decades researching millionaires for the millionaire mind and the millionaire next door. He found consistent psychological patterns across thousands of wealthy individuals. Not luck, not inheritance, thought patterns. Napoleon Hill interviewed 500 millionaires over 20 years for Think and Grow Rich. He discovered universal mental habits among the wealthy. Specific ways they approached problems, evaluated opportunities, made decisions, and processed failure. More recently, neuroscientists using brain imaging technology discovered that wealthy and poor people's brains literally process information differently. Not because they were born different, but because repeated thought patterns create different neural architectures. Your thinking creates your brain structure. Your brain structure determines your behaviors. Your behaviors create your results. Change your thinking, everything else follows. But here's the challenge. You can't see your own thought patterns. They're invisible to you. Like trying to see your own eyes without a mirror. You need external reflection to recognize internal programming. That's what this teaching provides. A mirror showing you exactly how you think about money compared to how millionaires think. Once you see the differences, you can consciously choose to adopt wealth patterns and discard poverty patterns. This isn't theory. This is applied cognitive neuroscience combined with decades of wealth research. Every pattern I'll show you is documented across thousands of wealthy individuals. These aren't opinions. These are observable, measurable, replicable thought structures. And when you install them, you become someone who naturally generates wealth, not through force or hustle, but through automatic mental processes that spot opportunities, make optimal decisions, and create value effortlessly. Let's decode the millionaire mind. 7 core thought patterns distinguish millionaire consciousness from poverty consciousness. Each one is a complete paradigm shift. Pattern 1. Abundance frame versus scarcity frame. This is the master pattern underlying all others. Poverty mind sees the world as finite, limited resources, win-lose. If someone else wins, I lose. There's not enough. Competition is war. Protect what little you have. Millionaire mind sees the world as infinite. Unlimited resources, win-win possible. Someone else's success proves success is available. There's always enough. Competition is collaboration. Create more rather than protect less. This isn't positive thinking. It's perceptual reality. Quantum physics validates abundance view. The universe is literally 99.9999% empty space filled with infinite energy. Scarcity is an illusion created by limited perception. Millionaires perceive accurately. Poor people perceive through scarcity filter. Their RAS, reticular activating system, literally filters out abundance because their belief system says it doesn't exist. Pattern 2, problem-solving versus problem-focused. How you relate to challenges determines outcomes. Poverty mind focuses on the problem, complains about obstacles, explains why things won't work, identifies all the barriers, gets paralyzed by difficulty. This is too hard. This won't work. Look at all these problems. Millionaire mind focuses on solutions, sees problems as puzzles to solve, asks, how can I make this work? Identifies resources and strategies, gets energized by challenges. Interesting problem. Let me figure this out. Same situation. Completely different mental processing. The poor person's brain activates threat response, amygdala hijack. The millionaire's brain activates creative problem-solving, prefrontal cortex engagement. This creates completely different neurochemistry. Poverty mind, cortisol, stress, shutdown. Millionaire mind, dopamine, engagement, innovation. One produces failure, one produces solutions. Pattern 3. Long-term thinking versus immediate gratification. Time horizon completely changes decisions. Poverty mind, short-term focused. What feels good now? Spends windfalls on immediate pleasures, can't delay gratification. Lives paycheck to paycheck even with high income. I deserve this now. Millionaire mind, long-term focused. What serves my 10-year vision? Invests windfalls in assets, delays gratification strategically, builds systems that compound. I'm building my future. Stanford marshmallow experiment. Children who could delay gratification, wait for 2 marshmallows instead of eating one immediately, had significantly better life outcomes decades later. Higher income, better health, stronger relationships. Delayed gratification is trainable. Millionaires have trained themselves to see long-term rewards more vividly than short-term pleasures. Their brain's reward center activates for future benefits, not just immediate ones. Pattern 4, investment. Mindset versus expense mindset. How you categorize money determines what you do with it. Poverty mind, everything is expense. This costs $1,000. Money going out creates anxiety. Focus on price, not value. Cheap is good, free is better. Millionaire mind distinguishes investment from expense. This $1,000 generates $10,000. Money going out to assets creates excitement. Focus on ROI, not price. Expensive is fine if return justifies it. Poverty mind sees $500 course is expensive. Millionaire mind sees $500 course teaches skill, generating $50,000 yearly. That's 100.1 ROI, bargain. This applies to everything. Books, courses, coaching, health, tools, time. Millionaires invest in anything with positive ROI. Poor people avoid expenses without calculating ROI. Pattern 5, value creation versus time trading. What you sell determines wealth potential. Poverty mind sells time. I'm paid X per hour, thinks in terms of hourly wage. Limited by available hours. Resentful when working without direct payment. Millionaire mind sells value, results. I create X value. Thinks in terms of impact and outcomes. Unlimited by time. Focused on leverage and scalability. This is why millionaires obsess over systems, leverage, and automation. They're not lazy, they're maximizing value per unit time. Poor person. I worked 8 hours, I should earn 8 times $20. Millionaire. I created a system that generates $1,000 daily automatically. My time is now worth infinite ROI because I'm no longer in the equation. Pattern 6. Ownership mentality versus victim mentality. Who's responsible for your results? Poverty mind blames external. The economy, my boss, the government, my circumstances. The system is rigged. It's not fair. Powerless victim waiting for rescue. Millionaire mind takes responsibility. If my results aren't what I want, I must change my approach. Powerful creator making things happen. This isn't about denying systemic issues. It's about claiming personal agency within any system. Millionaires in oppressive systems still create wealth because they focus on what they can control, not what they can't. Victim mentality feels satisfying. Blame validates helplessness, but creates stagnation. Ownership mentality feels heavy, full responsibility, but creates transformation. Pattern 7. Growth mindset versus fixed mindset. Carol Dweck's research shows this determines success across all domains. Poverty mind, fixed. I'm not good with money, I can't learn this. Successful people have talents I don't have. I'm just not smart, lucky, connected enough. Millionaire mind, growth. I can learn anything. Skills are developed through practice. If others succeeded, I can figure out how. What do I need to learn to achieve this? Fixed mindset. People avoid challenges, might expose inadequacy. Growth mindset people seek challenges, opportunity to develop. Fixed mindset people give up easily. Failure proves their limitation. Growth mindset people persist. Failure provides data for improvement. This single pattern determines whether someone rises from poverty or stays trapped. With growth mindset, you continuously evolve. With fixed mindset, you remain static while the world changes around you. Now let's explore how these patterns actually operate in decision-making. Knowing millionaire thought patterns is useless without installing them. Here's your reprogramming protocol. Step 1. Awareness and tracking. You cannot change patterns you don't see. Begin tracking your thoughts about money. For 7 days, carry a notebook. Every time you think about money, opportunities, spending, earning, write it down. Don't judge, just observe. End of week, review. Identify which patterns you're using, scarcity or abundance. Problem-focused or solution-focused, short-term or long-term, expense or investment, victim or ownership, fixed or growth. This awareness is transformative by itself. Most people never see their patterns. Once seen, patterns lose automatic control. Step 2. Pattern interruption. When you catch yourself in poverty pattern, interrupt it. Example, you think, I can't afford that course. Interrupt. Wait, that's poverty pattern. Reframe. Can I afford not to take this course if it teaches skills generating X? What's the ROI? This conscious interruption weakens old pattern and begins building new one. It's mental rep training. Like physical fitness, repetition builds strength. Do this 10, 20 times daily. Within weeks, automatic interruption occurs. Your brain starts catching poverty patterns before you consciously notice. Step 3. Millionaire thought substitution. Replace each poverty pattern with corresponding millionaire pattern. Create a substitution list. Poverty pattern, I can't afford this. Millionaire substitute, how can I afford this? What value would it create? In poverty pattern, this is too risky. Millionaire substitute, what's the intelligent way to do this with acceptable risk? Poverty pattern, successful people are lucky, talented, connected. Millionaire substitute, successful people learned specific skills. What skills do I need to develop? Post these substitutions where you see them daily. Bathroom mirror, phone wallpaper, computer desktop. Every exposure reinforces new pattern. Step 4. Immersion in millionaire thinking. Surround yourself with wealth consciousness. Read biographies of self-made millionaires, books on wealth psychology, not get rich quick, deep mindset work. Listen, podcasts featuring wealthy entrepreneurs and investors. Absorb how they think, not just what they do. Associate. Join communities of growth-oriented, wealth-building people, online or in person. Their thinking rubs off. Avoid constant exposure to poverty-minded people. Limit news consumption, fear-mongering. Reduce entertainment celebrating poverty mindset. Your mind is shaped by what it consumes. Feed it wealth consciousness daily. Step 5. Decision simulation. Practice millionaire decision-making in low-stakes situations. Before spending $20, what would millionaire do? Is this investment or expense? What's the ROI? What does future me want? This trains the neural pathway. When high-stakes decision comes, the pattern is already installed. Step 6. Accountability and measurement. Track your decision outcomes over 90 days. Weekly review. Which millionaire patterns did I successfully use? Which poverty patterns did I catch and interrupt? What were the results of decisions made from each mindset? This data shows progress and reinforces new patterns. When I used millionaire thinking, better results occurred. This works. Step 7. Environmental design. Shape your environment to support millionaire thinking. Visual cues, wealth-related quotes or images where you see them. Financial tracking, visible display of growing net worth, investment returns, income streams. Removal of triggers. Delete shopping apps if you impulse spend, unsubscribe from sales emails, remove temptations that trigger poverty patterns. Your environment shapes your thinking. Design it intentionally. From the identity integration. Ultimately, millionaire mindset isn't something you do. It's who you become. Through consistent practice of these steps over months, the patterns become automatic. You stop trying to think like a millionaire. You are someone with millionaire consciousness. At this point, wealth generation feels effortless because your automatic thinking patterns spot opportunities, make optimal decisions, create value, and build assets naturally. This is the true transformation, not forced, not performed. Authentic millionaire consciousness installed through neuroplasticity. Millionaire mindset isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about removing the poverty programming, obscuring who you actually are. You are consciousness. Consciousness is inherently creative and abundant, but you've been programmed with scarcity, limitation, fear. That programming blocks your natural state. Installing millionaire patterns isn't adding something foreign. It's removing interference. Returning to your authentic, abundant nature, aligning with quantum reality, which is infinite potential. This is why it feels liberating when you shift patterns. Not because you're forcing yourself to be someone else, because you're finally being yourself without poverty conditioning. The compound effect. Small mindset shifts create massive outcome changes. One better decision monthly compounds over years into completely different life. One decision leads to opportunities, leading to connections, leading to insights, leading to bigger decisions. You don't need perfect transformation overnight. You need consistent, slight improvement. 1% better thinking daily becomes 37x better annually through compounding. Your millionaire mind practice. Starting today, morning. Review your 7 millionaire patterns. Commit to practicing them today. Throughout day, catch poverty patterns, interrupt, substitute, practice millionaire patterns. Evening, journal. Which patterns did you practice? What results occurred? Where do you need more work? This daily practice over 90 days restructures your neural architecture. By day 90, millionaire thinking is your new default. The ultimate truth. Wealth is not out there waiting to find you. Wealth is in here, in your consciousness, waiting to express through you. Millionaires don't have access to opportunities you don't have. They see opportunities you're blind to because their mental patterns highlight possibility, while yours highlight obstacles. Change your thinking, you change what you see. Change what you see, you change what you do. Change what you do, you change your results. Comment below. Which poverty pattern do you catch yourself using most? Which millionaire pattern will you install first? Thank you for this journey into consciousness. Share this teaching with someone ready to reprogram their financial mind. Subscribe for more teachings where psychology meets prosperity. Remember, you don't need more opportunities. You need millionaire consciousness to recognize the opportunities already surrounding you. You don't need more money. You need millionaire thinking to generate wealth from the resources you already have. The patterns are decoded. The installation protocol is clear. The choice is yours. Will you continue running poverty software? Or will you install millionaire programming and watch your reality transform? Think like a millionaire. Become a millionaire. It's not motivation, it's neuroscience. Begin today.